Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play or download Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for Google Pixel 7 Pro. And first let's try finding Call of Duty here. But as you can see, there's no real game. And to fix this, we need to go back, click on the profile picture, navigate through the settings and family parental controls. Here you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games and put on your PIN, increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now if we go back and try to download this game, it should be right here and it's available to play even. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.